In 2012 I bought a Gibson ES 345 lookalike for €140. I love the looks of it and I needed an electric guitar. An original one, obviously much better and nicer, are for sale for €3,500, €3,500, and I have to change the neck anyhow, because I can't play it. I'm used to play classical guitars, so I need a wider, much wider neck. So the first thing I did was bring it to the workshop. And of course everything starts with a good plan, and there is wood enough in stock. Gibson makes beautiful guitars, and the brand stands for quality. And what's coming out of my workshop is quality too. My €140 guitar was perfectly in tune, so I could copy the position of the frets. The maple for the neck and the ebony for the fretboard I found in my workshop. I have a lot of wood in stock. I'm getting closer. The head is also better. This was the tricky part of the job. The electric guitar and the background music is this one. So it means that I finished the job. I'm using shellac to fill the gaps. This is the joint without glue. The neck fits perfectly and exactly under the right angle. This is getting close to what I really want. Now I can play it, but I want a tremolo too. So I bought something that looks like a BIGSBY at AliExpress for €25. It's not a real BIGSBY, but it is 10 times cheaper than the real BIGSBY and much shinier. So this is my Gibson ES 345 for about €200. And for me this is the most beautiful guitar and the best guitar in the world because I can play it. And of course there are people saying a real Gibson sounds much nicer. And then I think, fijn for your opoe, and that's Dutch for nice for your granny. And that means I really don't care. It's not a real Gibson, it's not a real BIGSBY, but I am over the moon with it.